We're taking the elevator up to the top of the Boise train depot.
No, but
You don't mind if I film this, do you?
Not at all.
Okay. Some people get weird.
So where are you folks from?
here.
Oh, good.
We live right down the street, actually.
Have you been on the elevator? I mean, been to...
I have a long time ago.
Long time ago.
It was a
Oh,
long
I grew up in
time ago.
Ontario, so long time.
Well, come back. It's open Sundays and Mondays to the public, so come back different times a year.
These bricks
Have to
even
bring
look
Millie.
old. Yeah, but she'd like it. It's a pretty good view up here.
It is.
We got married at the Capitol, so this is gonna be a good view.
Neat. Inside, outside?
Inside.
Oh my gosh, you
By the
didn't know you
Lieutenant
could do
Governor.
that. Oh, okay.
Yeah, she did it right there in the rotunda.
How fun.
It was amazing.
It sounds like it.
Yeah, right down there. Oh, focus. Oh, there it goes. And that netting is screwing right. It's pretty neat, though. Can we ring the bell?
No.
No.
Do not touch the bell.
Do not touch the bell. Wow, this stuff is amazing.